What the heck? Yo, what is this? The infamous Honda.
Man, was this open the whole time? Dangerous, you know? It's like
You look
I wanna
dangerous
do
right
the lane
now.
splitting, but
Is
it?
I think Tom Cruise is there.
Right now?
Damn it, Tom Cruise!
Yeah, man.
Should we ask him about Scientology? It says curious, come in today. Oh shit, they got it blue. Yo, I'm out here with Wally. Can you tell it like what to do? Wally,
Where's your home, Wally?
what are you doing out here, bro?
What if a gun just popped? What'd you get?
The mansion was the most expensive home to be built in California at the time in 1929. It says there was a murder here. All right, we're gonna go there. One bite, everyone knows the rules.
Hey, Poupée. This house is a mansion that's abandoned. It is said to be haunted. We gotta whisper when we get there. Gotta determine if it's haunted, which I don't believe in ghosts, so we really gotta be careful. That's the real danger.
There's already a little weirdness going on over here. We're getting pretty close to it, bro. Weird shit starts happening. Christian, come on. Quick. The door's open. Come on, yeah. We're gonna listen. We're gonna be really quiet. No more talking until we get to that door right up there.
It says there was a murder here. All right, we're gonna go there.
Oh my gosh. This is fucking crazy, dude. Dude. Okay, let's go inside. We gotta finish this. Don't turn the light, don't turn the light, don't
Dude, turn the light off, turn the light off, turn it off.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Bro, I kept hearing stuff the whole time.
And came down this way.
I kept hearing shit the whole time, and I was like wondering what the fuck it was, bro. We were in a haunted house. You think it could have been a ghost? Crazy. Not blocked gate. Closed. Right there. What is this?